Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, traction control, daytime running lights, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunctional information center, power windows, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.